Alright, how are you? It's Goli. Welcome to another session for Natas Hacking. Today we are doing Natas 10 and it's almost the same as Natas 9, but they just filter some characters that we cannot use semicolon or hashtag or some of them to grab some piece of command to actually inject a new command in the system. Here we can see for security reasons we filter on certain characters, such as what I already told you. So let's see the source code of the PHP. Here you can see it's the same, just it filters semicolon and which we were using, so now we cannot use them anymore. So we should find another solution, but the thing is that it's still using grep-i, so which is the vulnerable, which is really vulnerable, and we are manipulating this command to see our result. Let's go back there, and here it's already you see, it's already grep-i. Here we want to add -r, which is recursive, and we want to say, for example, look at etc, but with -r, and it will be recursive, so it will actually look in all the subdirectories of etc as well. And then we want to use another character which is dot, and it means everything in regex. So that's the you should know at least a little bit of regex for everything, because it's basic. It's really useful knowing regex. But here we have -r, and so our command will be -r, which is recursive, and look for dot. Dot means everything. Means every line. We want to read everything. Actually, it's a dot. Everything in the system. So it will be -r dot etc and asterisk here again for the everything in etc, but don't mess it with -r. Okay, let me continue. So we want to say -r dot etc asterisk. Let's see what we will have. So probably it takes time a little bit, as you see here, because it's a lot of information. And okay, let's search here. Natas. So let's say Natas 11. Nothing found. Yeah. Okay. You can see etc group from Natas 11. Another. That's nothing. Okay. That's it. You can see a lot of information here, and okay, so we should make it more efficient. So now we are using a trick from the last level. The last one, everything was in web. You can see Natas Web Pass. They are the commands from the last round. So let's do the same thing, -r dot etc. Instead of asterisk, we will say Natas Web Pass. So let's see. -r, but instead of asterisk, we will say Natas Web Pass. Hope to find something here. We can see here these two are from Natas Web Pass. This is for level 9, sorry, level 10, and yeah, this is the one which we are looking for. So let's copy this and going to Natas 11, Yes, now you can see. Let me just clean a little bit here. Okay, so that's it. So, and it was that for it was, a new method, just not using some characters. So you can see it's still vulnerable. So it's not a good idea to use -I for this kind of stuff, such as creating dictionary or and these stuff. So don't do that when you are writing your web application or website or whatever. So see you and take care.